Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to be watching the installation of our custom vinyl stair nosings on a open staircase. So at this property, the customer was replacing the carpet above and below their stairs with this beautiful vinyl plank flooring, and they reached out to us about getting their stairs done as well. You can see here they've opted to keep sand and restain the post and the handrail, but we are going to be putting on new spindles, and because of that we've had to do this nosing on site. You'll see the rest of them through this installation. They were custom made for this particular staircase, but they were made at our shop and then dry fit before this installation process, whereas this bottom step needed to be done custom on site to be able to go around the post that you see here. If you'd like more details and a step-by-step tutorial about how to do this yourself, please hit that subscribe button and check out the channel. We have lots and lots of videos that go through all aspects of a vinyl stair nosing installation, with tips and tricks for how you can go about doing it. This customer has opted to go with a white riser on this installation, and you will notice that we are installing a riser as opposed to simply painting the back of the steps here. The main reason for this is that we want a product with a nice, easy to clean finish, because even in a home that people don't wear their shoes inside, a painted riser is going to get dirty and need to be cleaned regularly, and that gloss finish is going to come off, whereas this product that we use here, it has a manufactured finish that's going to be easy to clean. You can see us using the PL Premium for the installation itself. As I mentioned, you can check out our other videos for detailed step-by-steps, exactly how to hold it, how to slide it, why we use these products, and especially why we work from the bottom to the top. Yes, there is a reason for it. We always do get comments in the comment section on it, but there is a very, very good reason for it that you can find in those other videos. So you can see here we are working our way up the staircase here on this installation with all of these beautiful custom vinyl stair nosings being put in place and installed. After this is installed, we will be adding the new spindles on here, and it absolutely transforms this staircase. It gives it a much more modern vibe, exactly the aesthetic that the customer was looking for, and it really ties in that flooring above or beyond. One of the best parts about using our custom vinyl stair nosings is that because we make them out of the flat vinyl that you have above, below, or both above and below your staircase, it is an absolute exact match because it's made out of the same vinyl. As well as at the top of the staircase, you can simply continue on with your installation because the nosings do have the same click on it. So it really is an ideal solution. If you'd like to get your own nosings made for your job or have us come out and do an installation, please check out our website at stepupvinyl.ca and you can reach out and contact us there. Make sure to hit that subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next video.